So on your machine, you're going to notice that you have this little extension table right here and accessory department. You can actually remove this as well, now revealing a nice little free arm here, which this is great. Not all machines have a free arm. And the nice thing about that is that it's just so convenient. For example, is if you have a sleeve that you're sewing on, a cuff, a pant leg, anything that you need an opening for, a bag, for example, very convenient to be able to have it go around. And that's what this free arm is here to do, just that. Now, for those of you with the Janome 3160, you do have the larger extension table, as I mentioned earlier. And all you have to do to be able to install this is remove the free arm, as I just did. And now we're going to come over to the machine and hook it on. Just like that. Pretty easy. Now I have a nice big extension table, whether I want to hold my piecing right here or whether I'm trying to do some free motion quilting. This little extension table is really nice to have.